What is happening, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage with another new one here for you today. Oh man, I've been absent, been working my butt off, and I finally picked up another auction find. Check out this. No, wait, this is not an auction find. Check this beauty out. I actually bought this. Let's see, this one came, okay, this one came, I had to think about it a minute because I've bought a couple of cars lately. And I've sold a couple. I haven't been doing real good on my videos here. I sold the Sienna, the van's gone. I've been looking for a Lexus, can't find a Lexus. But y'all know I'm a sucker for a Mercedes. And lo and behold, I found this one. For sale by owner. Guy owns a body shop. Look at this thing. This is a 1997. Those are authentic Mercedes-Benz rubber mats. This car is a peach. Needs a little cleaning. I need to do a little cleaning. Got an aftermarket Bluetooth Pioneer. Let's crank this baby up. Got ice cold AC. And man, it runs so good. You don't even have to let it glow. Now, this one has something I've never quite experienced before with any of my old Mercedes diesels. This one actually has the Egr Delete, which would pose a problem if you live, well, it may pose a problem. The car is 23 years old. I guess it depends on what your state, you know, what the rules are. But here, it doesn't apply. It has the Egr Delete, which is what that pipe is right there. And then the line is capped. And this is just disconnected and unplugged. So no EGR crap. Injectors have been done, new fuel lines. The fuel pump, injection pump has been rebuilt. To the tune of $1,000 about a year and a half ago. Ice cold AC. Just a wonderful car. This is the only bum spot on it right there. That is it. And I need to get maybe one new cap. The rest of them are in good shape. Wheels are in good shape. It's got Michelin rubber that he said he bought 8 months ago. Let's look at the tread on those things. Oh, not enough. This car I found on Facebook Marketplace for $3,300 bucks. Look at that. Knee deep in tread all the way around. Facebook Marketplace, $3,300 bucks. There's the check engine, engine electronics. So, since that EGR, you press this button right here, and it'll go away and just show your odometer. Since that EGR Delete has been done, that check engine light's gonna come on, regardless, period. I have read on some of the forums, some people have figured out how to do a delete. Oh, when they do some sort of alterations to it to where it tricks the engine, it won't throw the code. But I don't care. All I gotta do is press that little button right there and it stays going until the next time you start her up. 225,000 miles. Everything works. Ice cold AC, power windows, got deep tint on these windows too. I like that. My wife was following me back from picking it up. She was like, I couldn't see you inside that car. I do have to do something about this mirror. See, it's broken. and it's kind of held together with a rubber band. I need to find something a little more permanent for right now until I can get a mirror, but other things are intact, like these. Unbelievable. They're always broken. Let's check this one. Yeah. Sunroof does work, but it's a little sticky, which is very common by this time. And you can either service it and futz with it. I've got $1,000 worth of parts he's threw in the trunk for me that he had just kind of accumulated over the years. And there's several pieces there to rebuild the slides on the track if I want to rebuild the sunroof. Now, he said it doesn't need to be done yet, but you know, it could get stuck at any point. This is the same inline 6 that was in my 95. White 95 E300. Same engine, but with a 5-speed automatic. And the 5-speed automatic in these things, man, they are good transmissions. Even though I believe 97's the first year for it, they are darn good. That's the transmission they used in the Sprinter vans, and God, they used it all the way up until, let's see, 04, 5, 6, 07, they went to the 7-speed, but if you got a 4MATIC, like a 4MATIC wagon or sedan, it was still this transmission through 2009, I believe. So this transmission ran a long time. Like 11, 12 years. Very durable, very robust. I mean, I beat the guy down a little bit, $2,900, because when I got in the car to test drive it, he had it sitting out in front of he owns a body shop, and he had it sitting out front for with a for sale sign on it, and he said it had been sitting out there for several weeks and had not been started. So I was the first person to jump in and start it and take off in it. Well, when I did that, the blinkers wouldn't work, and then the power windows wouldn't work, and then the windshield wipers wouldn't work, and the power door locks didn't work. And he was, you know, it ran and drove great, but I brought it back to him and said, hey man, all this stuff don't work. He was like, hang on a second. I said, we're gonna go eat some lunch because we're hungry. You know, see if you can get it. So he rolled it in his shop, even though it's a body shop. He's got mechanical experience. He then called me right as we were finishing up lunch. He said, I fixed it. He was like, the fuse in the back, there were a couple of fuses that had blown, and he was like, maybe it was just from sitting, or he's not sure why, but they're under the rear seat. So you've got fuses under the hood, fuses under the rear seat. So I need to dig around back there and look at them a little bit, make sure I don't have any kind of corrosion going on. But since, you know, I've driven it 100 and something miles, a couple hours, and you know, the blinkers, windows, everything works perfect, no problem. So I'm hoping it's fixed. But $2,900 with a new set of Michelins, a rebuilt injection pump, and $1,000 worth of extra parts in the trunk, filters, extra mirrors. Those are brand new side mirrors that he had just put on. He's got the guts to the old ones. Just various parts. I think he said there's a new air conditioning compressor back there. I mean, what a deal. What a freaking deal. So I am thrilled. I've got the inline om606 diesel in a w210 chassis. Never had one of those before, and I am in love. It's not as fast as my old white 95 because this is a bigger and a heavier car, but it's still got plenty of pep, and it goes down the freeway like you wouldn't believe. I'm gonna get y'all a freeway clip of that very soon. I should have recorded some of it today, but I was just so mesmerized going down the freeway. Traffic was heavy too, and I was trying to be the fastest son of a bitch out there. So, anyway, anyway, like, comment, please comment, please like. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And I'll get us a freeway clip up soon. And, you know, any additional footage that may follow along. And I know I've got to do some updates on some trucks. I got people asking for some of my old trucks. The old F-150, the old Expedition, my dad's 17 Silverado. I promise I'm getting to it, guys. I've just been really busy at work. So anyway, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good day. Peace.